Hey, what's going on, everybody? I want to speak with you a little bit more about this website that I've been promoting. It's called Market Health, and it's affiliate marketing. And what I mean by affiliate marketing is you sell their product or products, and you get paid a commission for doing that. All you have to do is just advertise their products. And when somebody makes a purchase, you get commission off of that purchase. I'm going to show you an example of how it works. Say you want to go down here and go to teeth whitening. So you click on teeth whitening, and they have several to choose from. And you just pick one you want to promote. Click on this, and then you're going to get your affiliate link right here. This is the link you're going to use to promote this particular product right here. Now you can use the long link, or you can go here and generate a tiny link. Just click on it. When you click on this, it makes it a shorter link. So what I do, or what you can do, is if you want to promote any product on this website, you get your link and promote it on Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, or wherever you want to do it at. Wherever you want to promote your link at. And make sales, and every time you get a sale you get commission, and you can promote as many products as you want to promote. And they also, if you go down here for this particular product, you get banners to advertise. They give you different banners. You just go through it and pick out one that suits you, and you click on it, and then you promote the banner. There's the landing page for this product. But basically that's about it. It's affiliate marketing. All you're doing is picking a product that you want to sell and get paid for doing that. It's easy, it's simple. All you got to do is go through here, business opportunities, men's health, skincare, weight loss products. You get all this and more. It's fun to do, and all you got to do is click on the link that I'm going to provide for you in the description box. You can click on that, sign up to become an affiliate, or you can just go to my website or my link and just buy a product if you're interested in buying products from here. It's called Market Health. Click on the link in the description box. Simple, easy, and fun affiliate marketing. It's free to join. Won't cost you a dime. Y'all take care. Have a great day.